Hey everyone, Technoman here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Apple Pencil second generation, specifically if it's not charging. You want to follow these steps to get it to charge again. So let's get started. So the very first thing I like to do if you're having this issue is if you have a case on your iPad, you need to remove it. If it's a new one or a bulky one, sometimes it can actually interfere with that connection. So generally with the second generation one, they usually go have on the side, right hand side, or the top of your iPad to charge. It connects with this charging side over here. Now if there's a dust or dirt buildup, you need to clean your iPad and wipe it down like this so that the connection is cleared if it's on the top. And the same with the Apple Pencil as well. Sometimes if you have a oil or any kind of liquid or dust, or basically if it's dirty, it might not get that connection and needs to charge. So you want to clean that out as well. Now after doing that, it's time to go ahead and unpair this device and reconnect it. In order to do that, first thing I do is go into the Bluetooth, and if you see it's connected here, we're going to click on that eye icon here, click on forget this device, click on forget, turn off Bluetooth just like that, or remove it from your Apple Pencil. And now we need to go ahead and force restart our iPad. In order to do a force restart, we're going to press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and then hold on to this top or the lock ID, touch ID button. And sometimes if your up and down button might be on your right hand side, so you might need to press it there. So as you can see, I'm holding on to that touch ID lock button until the screen goes black. Once I see the Apple logo up here, I let go of that touch ID with the top button here, and that's force restarting the iPad, basically shutting it down and reloading the code. So if it's a software related issue, it will fix any of that causing that Apple Pencil not to charge, because the Apple Pencil of course charges with your pencil. So next, after you have done that, we're going to go ahead and go into our settings here. Once you unlock it, ensure that Bluetooth is turned on if it's not already turned on, and then go ahead and reconnect our Apple Pencil by leaving it on the top here. And from there on, we should see the Apple Pencil come up and paired, and it should be charging. Now if it's still not charging, you want to go ahead and give it a few hours. Sometimes it does take some time for it to really charge, especially if it was dead. So give it a few hours, sometimes even overnight, to charge. And make sure your iPad is also charged. So if your iPad is running low on charge, you might not have enough charge to charge it. So connect your iPad to charge. Generally you want a 50% or more charge so that it can give that power to charge your Apple Pencil. Now last thing you can do is go ahead and see if there's an update out for your firmware of your Apple Pencil. And the way to update the firmware of your Apple Pencil is actually updating your iPad. So you need to do a software update on your iPad by going to your settings, general, software update, and check to see if there's a software update available. If there is, you're going to go ahead and download and install that update. And once that update is complete, which generally could take half an hour to 45 minutes, of course, make sure you're connected to good Wi-Fi or cellular data, and make sure that update installs successfully. It will also automatically update the firmware of your Apple Pencil. So if there was any issues with the previous firmware, it will fix it, and hopefully it is charging. In a scenario that you cannot get it to charge after following all these steps, most likely the Apple Pencil could be defective, might have to get it replaced. We recommend taking it to the Apple store and see if they can help you. Sometimes they replace it if it's a defective Apple Pencil, which are covered for 1 year warranty on most Apple Pencils. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your Apple Pencil iOS devices. See you guys next time.